Can you give me a reason not to have a customized dashboard that shows you only the information you're interested in, helps you make better decisions, and quickly identifies issues? If the answer is no, try clicking on the green button up here and get your own dashboard sorted now. Add in the widget you want, like this. There are literally hundreds of possibilities, and if you are really pushed for time, or the thought of so many options makes you fidgety, just click the Surprise Me button here, and we'll take some of the work off your hands. Have fun putting together your most important metrics. Maybe exactly what you need to see for your role. Perhaps to give you an overview of what the team is up to. Or how about putting a dashboard together for that meeting so that you can show off your metrics in a jiffy? Give your beautiful new dashboard or dashboards names and save. And don't forget, there's always help at hand. You can get more information and guidance on custom dashboards and more by going to support.unleashedsoftware.com.